Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin with a question that most people are afraid to ask out loud. What if the biggest lie we've been told about aging is that passion must fade with time? What if the truth is the exact opposite? What if the human body, no matter whether it is 40, 60, or even 70 years old, still holds an incredible reserve of energy, vitality, and intimate power waiting to be awakened? For decades, many men silently accept fatigue, low energy, and declining confidence as if it were a natural law of life. They whisper to themselves, maybe my time has passed. Maybe my strength belongs to the past. But biology tells a different story. Your circulation can improve. Your hormones can rebalance. Your stamina can rise again. And sometimes the spark begins with something surprisingly simple, something millions of people drink every single morning: coffee, but not ordinary coffee. Today, I want to reveal three powerful coffee combinations that support circulation, metabolic energy, and endurance. Three natural blends that have been used for generations to awaken the body, stimulate blood flow, and help men rediscover vitality and confidence. Because when circulation improves, everything improves. Energy rises, focus sharpens, endurance grows, and intimacy becomes something to look forward to again, not something to worry about. Let's begin with the first recipe. The first blend is coffee with cinnamon and honey. This combination may look simple, but its effects are remarkable. Cinnamon is known for helping stabilize blood sugar and improve circulation. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery throughout the body, including the areas responsible for stamina and performance. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and you introduce natural glucose that the body converts into quick energy. Honey also contains trace minerals and antioxidants that support hormonal balance. When combined with warm coffee, this mixture becomes a powerful morning ritual. 1 cup, slowly enjoyed, and your body begins the day with improved circulation, balanced energy, and heightened alertness. Now let's talk about the second recipe. The second blend is coffee with cocoa and cayenne pepper. This is where things become truly interesting. Raw cocoa is rich in flavonoids, compounds known to support cardiovascular health and widen blood vessels. This means improved blood flow throughout the body. Cayenne pepper, even in a tiny pinch, stimulates circulation dramatically. It activates the body's thermogenic response, helping blood move faster and more efficiently. When cocoa and cayenne combine with coffee, the result is a powerful metabolic spark. Many people report feeling warmer, more energized, and more focused within minutes. And when circulation improves, stamina often follows. Now let's reveal the third recipe. The third blend is coffee with ginger and cardamom. For centuries, ginger has been celebrated for its ability to stimulate circulation and support digestive health. Cardamom, often used in traditional wellness systems, helps reduce inflammation while enhancing blood flow. Together, they create a warming, invigorating drink that supports both energy and endurance. This combination doesn't just wake up your mind, it wakes up your entire body. Many cultures have long used ginger and cardamom before important events or long days of physical activity because of their ability to support stamina and sustained energy. And when this blend meets coffee, the effect becomes even more powerful. But here is something important to understand. No recipe in the world is magic. True vitality comes from a lifestyle that supports the body, proper sleep, physical activity, balanced nutrition, and a calm mind. These coffee blends are simply tools, natural boosters that help your body do what it was designed to do, to circulate, to energize, to perform, to live fully. And here's the truth most people discover too late. The body has an extraordinary ability to regenerate when given the right support. Age does not automatically steal strength. Neglect does. But the moment you begin nourishing your body again, the moment you begin supporting your circulation and energy, you may be surprised at what returns: confidence, drive, stamina, passion. So tomorrow morning, instead of drinking the same ordinary cup of coffee you've had for years, try something new. Try one of these powerful blends. Give your body the spark it deserves, because life does not end at 50, it does not end at 60, and it certainly does not end at 70. The years ahead can still be filled with strength, vitality, and unforgettable moments, but the first step is yours to take. So start tomorrow morning. Choose one recipe, prepare it with intention, drink it slowly, feel the energy rise, and most importantly, Decide today that aging will not mean surrendering your vitality, it will mean awakening it. What if the real secret behind strong male performance has nothing to do with complicated treatments, expensive supplements, or mysterious formulas? What if the answer has been flowing through your body every single second of your life? Blood circulation. Most people underestimate it, yet it is the silent engine behind stamina, endurance, and physical response. When circulation is strong, oxygen and nutrients travel efficiently through the bloodstream, feeding muscles, organs, and the delicate vascular structures responsible for arousal and sustained performance. But when circulation weakens, the body begins sending warning signals: fatigue, slower recovery, reduced firmness, and a noticeable drop in confidence. Here's something many men never realize. The structures responsible for male arousal rely almost entirely on healthy blood flow. These tissues act like highly specialized sponges that expand and become firm when blood enters them rapidly. If the arteries are restricted, inflamed, or weakened, the flow slows down and performance naturally follows. But here's the powerful part: circulation is one of the most adaptable systems in the human body. With the right daily habits, the vascular network can become stronger, more flexible, and more efficient again. Physical movement plays a massive role in this process. Activities like brisk walking, light strength training, and simple stretching encourage the heart to pump more effectively, pushing oxygen-rich blood through the entire body. Nutrition is another hidden driver. Foods rich in antioxidants, minerals, and natural vasodilators help the blood vessels relax and widen. When vessels widen, blood flows more freely, pressure decreases, and tissues receive the nourishment they need to function properly. Hydration also matters more than many people think. Blood is largely made of water, and even mild dehydration can make circulation sluggish and less efficient. And then there is stress, an invisible enemy of healthy circulation. When the body remains in a constant state of tension, blood vessels tighten and restrict flow. Over time, this creates a cycle where both energy and physical responsiveness begin to decline. What if the real switch that controls male vitality isn't age at all, but hormones quietly working behind the scenes? Many people believe that losing desire, strength, and endurance is simply part of getting older. But the truth is far more interesting. Inside the body, a powerful chemical messenger system is constantly influencing energy, confidence, motivation, and sexual drive. At the center of that system is testosterone, one of the most important hormones for male vitality. Here's the surprising part: testosterone doesn't only affect libido. It influences muscle strength, mood stability, mental focus, fat distribution, and even the way the body produces energy. When hormone levels are balanced, many men feel naturally driven, energized, and confident. Physical responsiveness improves, recovery becomes faster, and stamina tends to increase. But when hormonal balance begins to shift, subtle changes start appearing. A man may notice reduced motivation, lower physical energy, decreased desire, or difficulty maintaining endurance. These changes often happen gradually, making them easy to ignore at first. Now, here's the hook most people never hear. Hormones are extremely sensitive to daily lifestyle habits. Sleep, for example, plays a massive role in hormone production. During deep sleep, the body performs critical repair processes and releases important hormones that regulate energy and sexual health. Poor sleep or irregular sleep schedules can significantly reduce hormone production over time. Physical activity also acts like a natural hormone regulator. Strength training and moderate exercise stimulate the body to produce more testosterone while also improving circulation and metabolic health. Nutrition is another hidden factor. The body requires specific nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, healthy fats, and antioxidants to support hormone production. Without these building blocks, the hormonal system cannot function efficiently. Stress may be the most underestimated influence of all. Chronic stress increases cortisol, a hormone that directly interferes with testosterone balance. When cortisol remains elevated for long periods, it can suppress energy, reduce drive, and disrupt the body's natural rhythm. What if the reason many men struggle with endurance has nothing to do with age and everything to do with how their body produces energy? Think about this for a moment. Every movement you make, every step you take, every physical response your body produces is powered by one simple thing: energy. Not just the kind that makes you feel awake in the morning, but deep cellular energy that fuels muscles, nerves, and circulation. Now, here's the surprising hook. Sexual stamina is not only about desire, it is about metabolism. Metabolism is the process that converts the food you eat into usable energy for the body. When this system works efficiently, your body can sustain effort, maintain focus, and perform physically for longer periods without fatigue. But when metabolism slows down, the opposite begins to happen. Energy drops, muscles tire faster, and endurance becomes difficult to maintain. Many people never connect these dots. They assume stamina is purely psychological or hormonal, yet the body depends heavily on how efficiently it transforms nutrients into fuel. If the cells cannot produce enough energy, performance naturally declines. Here is where nutrition becomes incredibly important. Certain natural foods and ingredients contain compounds that help activate metabolic processes and support energy production inside the cells. Antioxidants protect cells from damage, minerals support nerve communication, and natural plant compounds help improve circulation and oxygen delivery. For example, ingredients rich in flavonoids, such as cocoa, support cardiovascular efficiency. When the heart and blood vessels function properly, oxygen travels more effectively to muscles and tissues, helping sustain physical activity. Spices like cayenne or ginger can also stimulate thermogenesis, a natural process where the body generates heat and increases metabolic activity. This can make the body feel warmer, more energized, and more responsive. Another factor often overlooked is blood sugar stability. When blood sugar rises and crashes repeatedly throughout the day, energy becomes unpredictable. One moment a person feels energized, and the next moment exhaustion appears suddenly, affecting both physical strength and endurance. What if the greatest influence on sexual performance isn't found in the body at all, but in the mind? Most people think sexual stamina is purely physical. They focus on muscles, hormones, circulation, and nutrition, but there is another powerful system quietly controlling everything behind the scenes: the brain. The brain is the command center of desire, arousal, confidence, and physical response. Without the right mental state, even a perfectly healthy body can struggle to perform at its full potential. Here's the hook many men overlook: stress is one of the most powerful enemies of sexual vitality. When the body experiences stress, it activates a survival mechanism known as the fight or flight response. In this state, the brain releases stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. These chemicals prepare the body to face danger by redirecting blood flow toward essential organs and muscles needed for survival. But this response has an unintended consequence. Blood flow to areas associated with intimacy and relaxation becomes restricted. The body is essentially saying, "This is not the time for reproduction. This is the time to survive." Now imagine what happens when stress is not temporary but constant. Work pressure, financial concerns, lack of sleep, emotional tension, and digital overload can keep the nervous system in a permanent state of alert. Over time, this continuous stress can reduce desire, weaken focus, and interfere with physical responsiveness. But the brain works in the opposite direction as well. When the mind is relaxed, confident, and emotionally connected, the body responds differently. The nervous system shifts into what scientists call the rest and restore mode. In this state, blood vessels relax, circulation improves, and the body becomes more receptive to physical stimulation. Confidence also plays a huge psychological role. When someone believes in their strength and capability, the brain sends signals that reinforce performance. But when doubt or anxiety enters the mind, those signals can quickly change, creating hesitation and tension throughout the body. Sleep is another hidden factor that directly connects mental health and sexual vitality. During deep sleep, the brain resets stress hormones, repairs neural pathways, and restores emotional balance. What if the secret to long-lasting vitality isn't hidden in a complicated medical formula, but sitting quietly in everyday foods and natural ingredients that people have used for centuries? Most people underestimate the power of nutrition when it comes to sexual health. They search for quick solutions, yet the body's ability to produce energy, maintain circulation, and support endurance is deeply connected to what enters the body every single day. The nutrients you consume become the raw materials that your cells use to build hormones, repair tissues, and sustain physical performance. Here's the hook that surprises many people: The blood vessels that support male performance are extremely sensitive to inflammation, oxidative stress, and poor nutrition. When the body constantly receives processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats, the delicate lining of blood vessels can become irritated. Over time, this irritation can narrow the vessels and make circulation less efficient. But nature offers a powerful defense. Many natural foods and spices contain compounds that protect blood vessels and support healthier circulation. Antioxidants are one of the most important examples. These molecules help neutralize free radicals, unstable particles that damage cells and accelerate aging processes in the body. Ingredients such as cocoa are rich in flavonoids, natural compounds known to support vascular health by helping blood vessels relax and widen. When vessels widen, blood can move more freely, improving oxygen delivery to muscles and tissues that depend on strong circulation. Spices also play an interesting role. Cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom have been valued for generations not only for their flavor, but for their ability to stimulate digestion and support metabolic balance. These spices encourage the body to process nutrients more efficiently while promoting warmth and circulation. Minerals such as zinc and magnesium are also essential. Zinc supports hormone production and reproductive health, while magnesium helps muscles and nerves function properly. Without adequate levels of these nutrients, the body may struggle to maintain energy and endurance. Healthy fats provide another critical building block. The body uses certain fats to produce hormones and maintain the flexibility of cell membranes, which allows cells to communicate and function effectively. What if the real difference between men who maintain vitality for decades and those who lose it early comes down to one simple factor: consistency? Many people search for a miracle solution, a single drink, a single supplement, a single technique that will suddenly restore strength and stamina overnight. But the human body rarely works that way. The body responds to patterns, habits repeated day after day, signals that tell it whether to grow stronger or slowly decline. Here's the hook most people overlook. Small daily habits quietly shape your long-term vitality more than any short-term solution ever could. Think about it. The heart pumps more than 7,000 liters of blood through the body every day. The brain sends billions of signals through the nervous system. Hormones rise and fall based on sleep, stress, movement, and nutrition. All of these systems respond to the routines you follow every single day. When healthy habits become consistent, the body begins to adapt in powerful ways. Regular physical activity strengthens the cardiovascular system, allowing blood to move more efficiently through the arteries and veins. Even moderate exercise, such as walking, stretching, or light strength training, encourages the heart to pump stronger and the blood vessels to remain flexible. Hydration also becomes part of this daily rhythm. Blood depends on adequate fluid levels to circulate smoothly. When the body stays hydrated, oxygen and nutrients travel more efficiently to the tissues that rely on them for energy and endurance. Sleep is another cornerstone of consistency that many people underestimate. During deep sleep cycles, the body repairs cells, balances hormones, and restores energy reserves. When sleep becomes irregular or insufficient, these restorative processes begin to weaken, slowly affecting both physical stamina and mental focus. Nutrition completes the pattern. When the body regularly receives balanced meals rich in vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants, the internal systems that support circulation, metabolism, and hormone production begin to operate more efficiently. Over time, these habits compound. One day of healthy living may feel small, but weeks turn into months, months turn into years, and the body gradually transforms according to the signals it receives from those daily choices.